It will use Luna normally, but then if you ask it like a hard question or if it can sense that you're frustrated or something, it will automatically upgrade to a smarter model and fix it with the smarter model and then drop back down to the dumber one.
Hmm.
All right. So that, and I've noticed a lot of other agents kind of do the same thing. It's like, okay, you asked me for something hard. Let's use the smarter model. But by default, let's use the faster model, cheaper and faster. This way, we can provide our services for cheaper, but then also it's just much faster. You interact with it much quicker, right? So that's like the base model, and then like it can upgrade as you ask for certain things. We haven't added that capability in yet, but that's kind of one of the next things we're thinking about doing. Yeah, I encourage you guys to try it out because the more feedback we get, the better this thing gets better, the faster this thing
Yeah.
can get better. And at this point, it's like actually starting to get like smart enough to be able to do like pretty complex stuff. We also added in like a cool little replay thing. I don't know if you guys saw this yet, but here's the back test. I could like replay the back test. So you can kind of like watch it as it moves, right? Right. So it's like replaying what that back test looked like.
Cool. I like that.
Yeah, it's a cool little thing. We did it more for like social media stuff because we wanted to like show that off as a video, and it's hard to keep rerunning the back test to show what that looks like. But if you have a button, it makes it a lot easier to do that. But I think it's a pretty cool feature to anyways, right? It's just something cool they could like replay and you can kind of see what would have happened, right?
Oh,
Based on already existing back test.
yep, that's what I said last time, remember?
Yeah.
Just watching that live grow. It just,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to watch, right?
When it's going in your direction, yeah.
Yeah, 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 for
When
sure.
it's not, you're like, oh no, what? Oh man. Uh,
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Cool, awesome. Okay, so you had two things that you want us to look into. Is there anything else that you'd want to look into as well?
no, we got any updates on using the indicators?
Yeah, so we made some progress on that. I know Martin, he said that he put together, let's see if it works. Um, can you get me a graph of the 200-day, let's say 50-day moving average for TQQQ from my broker. Let's give it a layup. Let's see if we could do this. Because one of our other employees worked on this, but I haven't had a chance to test it yet. So let's see if it works. Using get broker indicators. Oh, okay. This sounds like it's doing what it's supposed to. Get broker indicators. Okay, so let's say use one of my alpaca accounts. I don't care. This actually seems a little further along than what I expected. Let's see if it works. I'll give Martin some feedback around this too. So I'll tell him way the indicator stuff does not seem to work. First off, a few things. Let me give him a little bit of feedback. So, number one, it should have just done it. It should not have asked me which broker connection. 2, um, it didn't actually work even after specifying. And then 3, um, um, it seems like it might be using the wrong tool. It's using get broker indicators, which does not sound like that lambda, data lambda we spoke about. Okay, so we're almost there, but not quite yet. So let me do another test here. I'll say, okay, buy 0.01 BTC at alpaca at one of my alpaca brokers. So this is the other thing. The other feature that we're working on doing is like basically it's allowing it to trade directly, right? So you don't have to like create a back test or a strategy. You could just like trade, right? That's been like a really heavily requested feature. And I'm gonna give him feedback on this too. Trading isn't working either. A few issues with it. Let's say number 1. Um, for some reason, it got a chart for me when I asked it to trade. Okay, it seems to have done this. 2, it used Tradier when I said alpaca. 3, it did not attempt a trade or attempt to create a trade approval. These